Yeah, Clay Smith here, owner of KREIA Property Management and Contracting. You just heard us speak, but wanted to just implore that you come out to this meeting on Saturday, because what I'm going to talk about is how you can get into a rental property for little or no money down. But more than that, I'm going to tell you which rental properties that you want to buy, because so many new investors just waste their time chasing deals that just aren't going to fit. And what should your portfolio look like? What type of properties do you want to buy? Are they 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom? Does it matter if they're brick or vinyl? Does it matter if they're slab foundation or if they have a crawl space? So what are we looking for? What is a durable rental? What is a rental you want to keep in your portfolio? And what should those numbers look like if you're going to buy them, fix them, renovate them, and hold them in your portfolio? Furthermore, I'm going to give you checklists, and we're going to talk further more about all of the materials that you need to put into these properties to tenant proof them, because you're going to get a lot of maintenance calls, and you need to be mindful of that. Your first year is probably going to be the roughest year when you buy that rental, you renovate it, it sat vacant, and now you've got a tenant in it. You're going to get a lot more maintenance calls that first year if you don't pay a lot of attention when you're first putting the house together. And lastly, I'm going to talk about some resources of where you can get some money. There's some sponsors here at the KREIA that you may or may not have heard of or know of, but they are lenders, and I can talk to you about what they're looking for in order to lend you money to get into the rental investing game. So without further ado, here's Mike, and Mike's going to tell you a little bit more about what happens after you get that rental.